Well, hello friends. I have been running around like crazy getting stuff done for the wedding. When you guys are seeing this, we'll actually be in Ireland, but I wanted to do something a little bit different than just a makeup video, get you guys caught up on what's kind of going on in my life. I know I've given you little snippets here and there in different videos, but this is just going to be a vlog style video. I'm going to show you guys what I am packing for Ireland, just prepping for the wedding. That's really all that I'm gonna do in this video. Just hang out and relax with you. I have my little diffuser on over there. It's keeping me calm. I've been having a lot of, I don't know, anxiety-induced nausea, I guess is what you could call it. I did not feel up to filming earlier today because I was just literally on the couch watching Say Yes to the Dress. Worrying about other people's wedding stress other than mine. I just needed a break from it for a little while. So I sat on the couch with a heating pad watching Say Yes to the Dress pretty much all afternoon. But I am starting to pack a little bit. I apologize, my area is a mess. Here are some of the toiletries that I'm packing, and I'll show you a little bit more about that later when I am actually packing. There's an umbrella because Ireland is rainy. I'm going to work on getting some of my medicines done. I actually have an entire bag full of medicine in the purse that I'm taking, and I'm just kind of prepping for that. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the next couple of hours. I might pack. I got some packing cubes. Let's see, it's underneath all this stuff. These are some packing cubes that I bought. You open them up and there's actually, I think, like between 7 and 8 of them in here. It just keeps going and they just get smaller and smaller. Let's see, I have a large one, kind of a small travel one. I have another small one, another large one, and then the one that they were sitting in, oh gosh, there's another one, a medium-sized one, and then another medium-sized one. So we'll see how these work. I hear that when you roll your clothes, it's a bit better for them instead of folding them. So I'm trying this method. Hopefully we can fit everything into our carry-on and the bag that we're checking. So I'm gonna go just start packing away, okay? And I will take you along with me. I might have to clean up this area. It's looking rough. It is looking rough. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I hate coming back to a space that is so dirty and cramped and like laundry's not done. I just don't like it. I like to leave my house in a very, I like to leave my room and my area in a good place so when I come back I'm not overwhelmed and have to do all of this cleaning. So I'm gonna go start on my medicine and maybe start packing some clothes. We'll see. All right, so I just finished packing my medicine. It's in this first pouch right here. Side note, anyone watch America's Next Top Model? I have never seen it before, but I figured I would just throw it on while I was doing this. So here in my purse I have my inhaler. These are my daily medicines, and then I have my medicines like Dramamine, Pepto, Claritin, more Dramamine. Apparently I'm expecting to get very sick on the flight. And then I also have a bag of tissues. So I'm keeping all of these just in this front pocket. And then in the middle pockets, where is the opening thing? Okay, in here, I'm gonna keep my wallet type thing. And that's literally almost everything I have in here. I have a pen and chapstick. And then in this last pouch, it's the one that's gonna be closest to me. I'm gonna have the passports. My mom got me a little passport thing that'll hold both Chris and I's passport. It barely fits in this little purse. Hold on. Ugh. So this is gonna be a good travel purse for me. I love crossbodies. I hate purses that are not crossbodies. Let's see, what can I do next? Oh, I got this cool travel journal. It says I haven't been everywhere, but it's on my list. I really want to start getting into travel journaling more. I wish that, like, when I went to Paris and New Zealand and Australia, I wish that I travel journaled more. I feel like you forget a lot of things that you do on a daily basis, and I feel like it's a cool way to look back on some of the things that you're doing and the memories that you're making, so I want to be sure to pack that. These are adapters, I think. Like do I need adapters in Ireland? I don't even know, but my mom gave me this. She said you need this, so I'm just gonna bring that. And then I have this is a jacket I got from Amazon. It's Charles River, I think is the brand. Let's see. Yeah, Charles River. Like I said, I got it off of Amazon. It was like $35, and it's a pullover, and then it has this pocket right here, which cannot open with one hand, and then it has another one right here. So I thought this would be good to take to Ireland. I bought this Ireland book, and this has been what I've been using to make all of my itinerary. So it has some really cool things in here. It actually has a map of Ireland. I think we're staying, go back. So we're starting in Dublin, and then we're gonna work our way down to County Wicklow. We're actually staying in the Wicklow Mountains. Let's zoom you in right here. I know my fingers are horrible, but I'm gonna get them done before the wedding. Then we're gonna go down to, we're not staying in Cork, but we're staying in Kerry. Then we're gonna move our way up here to Galway, and then we'll drive it back across the country to Dublin and leave out of Dublin. So that's our little itinerary. How does this go back? Okay. And this book is like, tells you different things to go, different places to go based on where they're at. So like here is in County Clare. This is where Cliffs of Moher, I think that's how you say it, Cliffs of Moher is. Took a lot of notes. And this is the Lonely Planet one, what it is. So I would definitely recommend this brand for travel books if you are just wanting to know more about the place that you're going and you have no idea what to see, where to go. Use a book. I'm also packing this guy. I don't think that it has power. Oh, I guess it does. I need to find the charging cable to this, but it's a brick, so you can plug your phone into it, and I think it gives your phone or iPad or whatever a few hours of charging. So definitely want to bring that, especially for on the plane. I don't know if they'll have outlets or anything. Hopefully they do. So here's the backpack that I'm going to take. This is the backpack I always used to travel with stuff, and I'm taking my Bose headphones. So these are actually sound canceling headphones, so you can put them on, and all of the crying babies, all of the turbulence, all the extra airplane noises are gone. You turn this on like that. Oh, okay, it's out of battery. I need to put more in. Okay, but you get the gist. You turn that on, and then it is noise canceling. So these are awesome to have if you are going on the plane. So one of the other things that I'm going to take is this blanket scarf. This is great because if you want a scarf slash blanket on the plane, this works really well because it's ginormous. So I'm definitely taking this, and it's also green like Ireland. And I did print out over here all of our reservations just to make sure that I know where we're going and when we're going. I'm trying to be very good about being prepared. This is actually my first international trip without going with parents. So I really want to make sure that I know what I'm doing and I'm well prepared. I'm also bringing a thing of gummy bears on the plane. Fun story, I did not know that you could bring food on the plane, because you know, they tell you you can't bring like water or drinks on the plane before you go through security. You can only get stuff after going through security. So I thought the same thing mattered with food, but apparently you can bring stuff. So I'm definitely gonna bring some snacks. I need to get some more like Cliff Bars and different snacks also to put in there. So I want to walk you guys through what I have in my Makeup Traveler. This is my makeup travel bag. It's from Sephora. It has this cool little weird cushiony pattern on it, and it's leather. I've had this for a few years now. So you open it up, it has this flap in the middle of it. So this section right here is where I'm keeping all of my foundations, all of my powders, all of my primers. I'll take them out so I can just show you guys what I am taking. So the first thing that I'm going to be taking are my primers. I'm going to take the Smashbox Minimize Pores Primer, and I'm also taking the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Primer. This is my favorite. And then the last primer I'm taking is Laura Mercier Radiance Primer, something different. The two foundations I'm going to take are the CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream and the L'Oreal Infallible. This Infallible foundation is really great at lasting a long time throughout the day. This one is just more for natural days, but it still gives me really good coverage. The next thing that I'm going to bring is this Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. This is great at setting my makeup, and it's a little bulky, but it does a really good job at keeping me matte. Then I'm going to take my lash curler. I think this one's from Tarte, I think. And then I'm going to take my mascara, the CoverGirl Lash Blast, the NARS Complete, I always get this name wrong, Soft Matte Complete Concealer, just for days that I don't want to do my eyeshadow. Then I'm going to bring a beauty sponge. This is the EcoTools one, which needs cleaning. And then my eyebrow product, the Anastasia Dip Brow. So all of these are going to go in this first pouch. Just throw them all in there. Alright, so that is the first pouch. This one right here holds all of my brushes. So I have like my powder brush, bronzer, my blush. This one is to set my under eye concealer. I have my highlight brush, and then a bunch of different eyeshadow brushes. And then you flip it over, and then there's this pouch right here. So this holds all of my concealers. I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me and the Tarte Shape Tape, and then all of my different liners. I just keep all of them in here. And this is the last pouch. So in here is going to be all my palettes. I'll get to those in a second. But this is the palette I'm going to take. It's the NARS Stephen Klein palette. It's the One Shocking Moment palette. This came out a little while ago. Don't think it's still out. But this is a great palette for bronzing and then blushes. It just has a couple different options. So I like to keep that in here. I'm going to take the ColourPop Innuendo highlighter palette. This is amazing. And it has some really good different shades in there. And then this is the palette I'm going to travel with. It's the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. This is so pretty. Look at that. It has really good wearable everyday shades, but it also has those pops of color if you wanted to make your look a little bit more bold. I have this brush in here because it doesn't fit in this one, so I just keep that in there. Just, yeah. And I also have my brush that I do my eyebrows with. Then I have my eyeshadow primer, this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. And then I have my lipsticks. So I want to take a couple different ones. So this is the one, this is the actual lipstick I'm going to take. It's the ColourPop matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Layover. Let me open it up for you guys. It's a really pretty nude shade. And these stay on my lips for a really long time. So I wanted to take that. And then I'm taking one of the Smashbox Always On liquid lipsticks. This is in the shade Boss. It's just a good pure red. Taking two Sephora cream lip stains. This is in the shade, I think, 71 and 13. These are great shades also. And then this Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in Stone. It's a really pretty like mauvey purple shade. So that's everything that I am going to travel with for makeup. So and then you zip it up and it just works like that. It's a little bit heavy, but that's okay. It's going in our carry-on. So I want to show you guys, this is going to be my toiletries bag. This will be Chris's section. This will be my section, obviously, and then this will be my section as well. It actually folds up. Let me zip it up here. So it folds up, and this top part is magnetized, so it keeps it together. But then it also has this where you can hang it on something. if you don't have counter space. So I got this at TJ Maxx. This is good to hold all of your liquids in because it is plastic, and if it leaks, it's not gonna go anywhere. I should probably move these into here, but both of these are like mesh, so things can come through here. Those are two of Chris's products he hasn't packed yet, but this is my section. So one of the things I have is a travel body moisturizer. This is just good to get a small one of, and it's the shade, or it's the shade. It has cocoa butter and shea in it. And then I have this little tiny travel almond oil, which I use to shave. I have my toothpaste, I have some Aquaphor for my lips. I just packed this Nug, what is this, face mask revitalizing type of pod thing. I just wanted to see if bringing a little mask with me works. I've never taken a mask before traveling, so we'll see. This is my contact lens solution. So I got a small one. This is my body wash. I have 2 Travel Nexus little bottles. Oh, I need to refill this one. And then I have 2 Batiste Travel Dark dry shampoos. I don't know which one is fuller, so I'm just bringing both. And then I have, this is my razor. Let's see. I also like to pack little travel sizes of things that I get at Sephora. So I get a lot of Clinique stuff. I have some Band-Aids. I also have some travel Neutrogena makeup wipes because the original ones are ginormous. But this was, I think, 15 bucks. Has a lot of room. So we got our first wedding package. I told Chris I wouldn't open it. I'm very tempted, but I won't do it. We agreed that even though we're gonna get things that are sent in the mail before the actual wedding, we're not gonna open them. If you guys have seen that Friends episode where Monica opens all of the gifts without Chandler, I'm scared once I start, I won't be able to stop. It'll be a small, like, salt shaker, and then I'll look for the matching set, and then next thing you know, you just open all the gifts, and I don't want to do that to Chris. I want him to be able to open them, especially since I got all the gifts in the bridal shower. Like, I opened all of the other stuff that we have, so I want him to be able to participate in the gift unboxing, but I'm very tempted. What is in there? I'm really enjoying these travel packs. They're really nice because they have a handle and you can just kind of take them out. These are my sleeping, this is like my daily clothes, and this is the undergarments. I'm really enjoying them. They seem to fit a lot of stuff in them, and I'm excited to use them. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed packing with me. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the vlog style, so I know. Sometimes I don't know if you guys like the vlog style or if you just want sit down makeup, but sometimes it is nice to do more of a laid back vlog style video. Like I said, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss out on my future videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!